Hello, dolls and gents, and welcome back to another month. We have ended another month in 2022. I don't know where it's going, but it's gone, okay? It's gone. So this is my June planner for 2022. Let me bring it up bigger so you can see the whole planner. And now I'm going to zoom in and just show you quickly just the weeks to my planner. I cannot say enough how I am so happy that I actually found my planner that I can use, that I actually love and love to decorate. These things someone sent me. I don't remember who it was, but thank you very much. I thought they were stickers, but they're actually like stock cards. So I actually kind of just glued them to the planner. This little girl was in that. She's so cute. Look at her. This stock card was in there, and this stock card was in there. So I just thought it was really, really cute. So the month of June, I didn't have too much going on until the end of the month, just writing down my errands. I have to get back into writing down dinner. Lately, I've been taking a class, so I haven't been cooking. And the class is like a month. And so we kind of been, sometimes I cook, but then sometimes we just order something quickly because by the time I get home from work, I have to get on the class. So I got to get back into writing down my, meals and stuff like that because I haven't been doing that. You will see the nail video, this nail video. I got my nails done June 16th. Y'all will see that nail video, and I'm getting ready to go back next week for July. So y'all know I normally go 3 weeks. This was Father's Day. Me and the hubby actually went to Longhorn. Went to church with the Longhorn. He had to work, but it still panned out pretty good. Here's some other things that I did. Like I said, I wasn't too busy for June. I got to get back into a lot of things. There's been so much going on. There's so many shows that are back on. Honey Boo Boo is back on. Housewives of Atlanta, Housewives of Dubai, Basketball Wives is back on. I used to put like the days that each show comes on, but like I said, it's been crazy. What came back on Stars? Oh, P-Valley is back on, so I had to get my stars back. I did go out of town to the women's conference. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, let me know. You do have to have a profile picture to follow me. If you hashtag Fearless Femme on Instagram, you will find me and you can request me. What I ask you to do so I don't get aggravation on my page is to message me that you are from YouTube so I can approve you. You do have to have a profile picture because some of these people that come out here and come on your page can just ruin your day. And I don't want that. My YouTube is already open for people to come in and ruin my day. I don't want my social media open for people to come in and ruin my day. That's just my choice. So if you're not following me, you can put your Instagram name down below and I will go find you. I will go find you. Put your Instagram name down below. Also, if you have a business or anything that you want promoted, my email address will be in the beauty bar down below, or put your Instagram name down below so we can private message so your business can get promoted and we can go over that. So I definitely don't mind supporting. If you want to send me anything, my email address is always available, but sometimes YouTube will block it. So definitely put your Instagram name down below or DM me, or if you can put your social media down below, I will find you. If you are waiting to follow me, I need you to message me on Instagram and say it's me from YouTube and I am waiting to follow you. And make sure that you have a profile picture. A lot of times if people don't have a profile picture, or if people just try to follow me and they don't have any pictures or any followers or anything like that, I would just automatically delete it. So I am being interrupted, so let's go ahead and post this video. I'll be looking forward to following you guys on social media.